सो आई ग्रास्प टीम की का एक बार मैं सारे नाम फिर से बता दूं। रुचि मित्रू, गायत्री लूथरा, प्रिया वधावन, शिखा शर्मा चतुर्वेदी। हाय, टेल अस व्हाट इज आई ग्रास्प?
So iGrasp is a news channel, a weekly news channel.
Wow.
For children, curated for children and anchored by children. So it's a very new concept, a very different concept, and I think Ruchi will explain more about it.
Yeah, so we are hosted on YouTube currently, and we release a news capsule every Sunday morning.
Okay.
And it's about a 10 to 15 minute news capsule, and it covers the whole week that went by. और जो भी हमारे news readers हैं, वो भी बच्चे हैं from different schools around India, and even from the US right now. We have anchors from there as well because it's such a global platform. तो जो बच्चे हैं, वो news reading के लिए उनको pieces दिए जाते हैं, and they read the news, and that capsule is released every Sunday.
तो रुचि बताइए, फेसबुक के साथ आपकी जर्नी कब कैसे शुरू हुई और ये रिश्ता कैसे चल रहा है, कैसा है?
Exactly, जैसे हंसिका ने बताया हमें कि जब कोई चीज शुरू होती है तो सबसे पहले फेसबुक का ख्याल आता है. इट्स अ नो ब्रेनर, एंड जो भी चीजें चल रही हैं वो फेसबुक पे है. सो वी डिसाइडेड वी हैव टू बी ऑन फेसबुक, देयर इज नो वे आउट. क्योंकि जो हमारा टीजी है, जो हमारा टारगेट ग्रुप है, वो है पेरेंट्स, और सारे पेरेंट्स हैं फेसबुक पे ऊपर. तो अगर उन्होंने अपने बच्चों के लिए कुछ डिसाइड करना है, वो सारे वेंचर्स फेसबुक पे वो देखेंगे, एंड देन दे डायरेक्ट देयर चिल्ड्रन.
ओके,
प्रिया कैन टेल अस मोर.
या So a couple of things, we were very clear कि हमारा जो medium is going to be online. It was not clearly. So it would be an online medium. And what we really like about Facebook is a couple of things in terms of its reach, rural reach, urban reach, in terms about its easiness of application. It's not a very complicated, it's very easy, Everyone in the household across data, is able to access Facebook, which makes it very versatile. And we also felt that they have always evolved. They don't remain static, It's not, you can't compartmentalize that Facebook has only this kind of an audience. You can have a meditational audience, you can have a look, you can have your recipes, you can have an educational forum, looking at it. So our modus was very clear. We had clients who were our parents and who could be mothers and fathers. And we had our customer who was the child, and a lot of children are also on Facebook. So, we did the whole, I think Shikha will be able to elaborate more. The demographically also, I think Facebook really helped us out.
वो समझना इंटरेस्टिंग होगा कि कहाँ तक आपकी रीच फेसबुक की वजह से आप कहाँ तक पहुँच पा रहे हैं पेरेंट्स तक.
तो रिचा, फेसबुक ने हमारी बहुत मदद करी है iGrasp की. एज प्रिया वाज एक्सप्लेनिंग टू यू एंड अर्लियर रुचि एज वेल, बेसिकली हमारे को टारगेट करना है उन पेरेंट्स को जो ऑनलाइन, जो फेसबुक के थ्रू एक्टिविटीज ढूंढ रहे हैं, जो उनके बच्चों को करेक्ट इंफॉर्मेशन दे, जो उनको करेक्ट चीज़ों के लिए गाइड करे, और हम वो ऑलरेडी कर रहे हैं. तो अगर हम किसी भी और फॉर्मेट के थ्रू जाते हैं तो उनको रीच करना हमारे लिए इम्पॉसिबल या एटलीस्ट डिफिकल्ट तो हो ही जाता है. फेसबुक में डेमोग्राफिक टारगेटिंग है. फेसबुक के थ्रू हम ये पता लगा सकते हैं कि भाई कौन पेरेंट्स हैं जिनके बच्चे न्यूज देखना चाहते हैं, या कौन वो माँ बाप
इस एज ग्रुप में है.
एब्सोल्युटली. So who are those parents who are looking for a channel like us, who are looking for an iGrasp? उनको iGrasp का हो सकता है नाम अभी शायद नहीं पता हो, लेकिन अगर वो ढूंढ रहे हैं कि कोई न्यूज चैनल हो फॉर किड्स, बिकॉज अब आज की तारीख में ये हो रहा है ना कि बच्चों को इतना पढ़ने के लिए है कि अगर कोई जर्नल भी वो पढ़ रहे हैं, they don't have that kind of time to read. So what we are doing for them is that within those 15 minutes, 15 मिनट के अंदर आपको पूरे हफ्ते की न्यूज पता चल जाएगी, जो कि छोटे बच्चों के लिए इम्पोर्टेंट है. ये जरूरी नहीं है आपको कि जब आपका कोई जीके का एग्जाम आए आप तभी प्रिपेयर करें अपने आप को. आप बहुत कम उम्र से जनरल नॉलेज को सीख सकते हैं, समझ सकते हैं. यू कैन गो इनटू नेशनल, इंटरनेशनल, स्पोर्ट्स, एनवायरनमेंट, फन, बुक्स कौन सी हैं जो पढ़ना चाहते हैं. तो थ्रू फेसबुक वी हैव गॉट एन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू रीच आउट टू दोज पेरेंट्स हु आर लुकिंग फॉर आवर कंटेंट, जो ये बोल रहे हैं कि भाई बच्चों के लिए क्या अच्छी
चीजें हैं. हाँ, तो आपके न्यूज एंकर्स वैसे चिल्लाते तो नहीं है जैसे आजकल के न्यूज एंकर?
तो हमारा एक यूनिकनेस ये है कि इट्स अ फ्री चैनल, even when you subscribe on YouTube, we do not have a charge for the parents or for the school. और एक और अच्छी बात देखी गई है कि a lot of progressive schools are also having their Facebook page, and they're actively handling it, and it's being anchored very, very judiciously and very, very properly. So, in fact, this morning itself, we had one of the schools, I don't know whether I want to name them right now on the show, but they had actually put it up on their Facebook page. So,
बहुत schools के अपने Facebook page होने लगे हैं.
Schools are also approving of this medium, so which is very interesting.
Actually, आपने अभी कहा ना चिल्लाते नहीं है, तो इसलिए भी एक नीड थी, क्योंकि पेरेंट्स नहीं चाहते, हम में से कोई भी नहीं चाहता बच्चा हम चाहते न्यूज देखे, पर हम ये नहीं चाहते कि
वाली नहीं
वो वाली देखे. तो एक बहुत जरूरी नीड थी एक पॉजिटिव न्यूज चैनल की, जहां सिर्फ जो इन्फॉर्मेशन जरूरी है वो पहुंचे उन तक, जो दूसरी चीजें हैं वो निकल जाए, सिफ्ट की जाए.
जी, व्हेन आई कम बैक टू यू, तो मैं वो पूछूं क्योंकि हम सपनों की बात कर रहे हैं और दिल की बात दुनिया तक पहुंचाने की बात कर रहे हैं, लेकिन उससे पहले तो आप फेसबुक पर आपके पेज का क्या नाम है, जो लोग एक्सेस करना चाहें, जो अभी देख रहे हैं हमारे साथ?
इट्स कॉल्ड iGrasp, IGRAASP.
हम लोग सपनों की बात कर रहे हैं, सो आई थिंक व्हाट आई कैन फिगर आउट इज कि आप सब माएँ हैं और सबसे पहला कंसर्न आपके मन में शुरू होगा कि हमारा बच्चा क्या कंटेंट देख रहा है. आई थिंक द डिजायर मस्ट हैव स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम देयर. बट थोड़ा सा चाहूंगी अगर आप शेयर करें कि ये सब इस सपने ने जन्म कैसे लिया, फिर आप चार कैसे साथ आई, क्योंकि कोई एक भी कर सकता था. सो शेयर दैट जर्नी, बिकॉज बहुत सारे लोगों को हिम्मत मिलेगी, बहुत सारी माएँ कुछ और सोचती होंगी, probably they'll get inspired.
Okay, what we have common amongst all four of us is that we are parents. And through this journey of parenting, we realized that I have 3 kids. All of us have. They have 2 kids each, and we realized that हमारे जो बच्चे हैं, there are about 20-30 news channels all available at home. But there's nothing that we can hand over the remote to them and say that, okay, you go and watch this. Unfortunately, that is the fact. There's too much of noise. There's too much of negative news. There's language. So as a result, we tell the child, okay, you go and, check it out, check it out or go back to your book. And we did a survey initially. हम लोग ने एक survey किया था about 15-20 principals के साथ और उनसे पूछा था, what they thought about this concept. And they all reconfirmed the fact that reading, unfortunately, is a dying habit, unfortunately. So हमारे पास newspapers, child-friendly newspapers भी आ रहे हैं. But, the child just takes the papers home and gets it back. He's not really interested. Only the top 10 children in the class are actually going to go through it. So, we would be, cutting and clipping news pieces for our children, putting it in scrapbooks, trying to teach them. And we said, ye tarika nahi hai, because parents are busy, schools are busy with curriculum. There has to be an alternative, There has to be a very systematic approach to this problem. We have to sow the need and the interest of current affairs amongst our children when they are young. It shouldn't be a burden for them. It should be made like a fun activity. So how do we do it, So with that in mind, we put our heads together and we started iGrasp last year in February. And we said that it has to be something for everyone because, everyone's not interested in political news or, national news per se.
Yeah.
We had these 5-6 segments kind of slotted for them. We have a fun and fact segment. We have a personality of the week. We have a riddle so that even a child who is 8 साल का भी हो ना, उसने भी अगर 2-3 चीजें सीख ली हमारे एपिसोड से, तो we feel we have, done our job. That's the whole objective of it. And we are so blessed that the concept has, taken off. Parents are happy. Schools are extremely happy, not just in Delhi, across, in spite of the COVID situation. And we couldn't really go marketing from place to place, thanks to platforms like, Facebook, which really helped us to reach out to this medium. We have about 40-50 schools. We have about 120 anchors already on our show. And we have a subscriber base. We have about 132 views and about 9,000 subscribers already.
Wow.
And it's across schools, not just in North India, right down to Vellore. And like Ruchi said, we've got anchors from the US, from Singapore, from Calcutta East, and from Mumbai. So our request is that through this medium, again, we appeal that, it's a free platform. We should try and go and see it. There's something not just for the children, even for the mothers.
Yeah, my father, who's 88, loves the channel. He thinks, "Shukr hai, kuch mila hai dekhne ke."
How sweet.
And all his friends are watching it. Yeah, everybody is watching it.
And Richa, it is bilingual. It is both in English and
Hindi. Okay.
और स्कूल के बच्चे जो स्पेशली रूरल एरियाज में हैं, उनको शायद इंग्लिश का उतना एक्सेस या समझ नहीं है, तो वो इजीली हिंदी में भी देख सकते हैं न्यूज को.
देख सकते हैं. क्या बात.
And you know,
मेरी niece है 12 years की. I'll ensure that I'll make sure that she watches the channel.
But when we started, it was meant to be for children. Over a period of time, we realized it's a family time channel. So now we actually are branded as a family time channel, क्योंकि वो जो 10 और 15 मिनट सुबह संडे का टाइम है, जहाँ पूरी फैमिली बैठ के बच्चों के साथ एक चैनल देख सकती है बिना डरे कि इसमें कुछ आ जाएगा ऐसा जो तुम नहीं दिखा सकते. एंड ऑल्सो पॉजिटिवली तुम टॉपिक आगे डिस्कस कर सकते हो बच्चे के साथ.
हाँ, वो बहुत जरूरी है.
इट्स अ फैमिली टाइम चैनल राइट नाउ.
एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट इशू है जो मैं बात करना चाहती थी और आपने जिक्र भी कर दिया, कोविड टाइम. अब आप सबके स्टार्टअप्स मुझे भी नए नए ही लग रहे हैं 1-1.5-2 साल के अंदर, और ऐसे में कोई बहुत बैकिंग नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है. आपने फेसबुक पर आप अपनी नई दुनिया शुरू कर रहे हैं और ये कोरोना का सारा वो हो जाता है. ऐसा लगा कि डिजिटल मीडियम, सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म पर होने का फायदा रहा कि किसी तरह के बहुत बड़े नुकसान हमारे नहीं हुए, कोई इन्वेस्टमेंट कहीं पर वो नहीं हुआ?
We make a lot of buzz thanks to Facebook and social media in general. Just this morning, I think for this month, we have connected with close to 240,000 people. You know, the insights, the boost, all those options in Facebook, they allow us to connect with our right audience. We are able to reach out to so many more people, you know, on a regular basis.
So, कोविड टाइम्स का कोई एक्सपीरियंस अगर आप शेयर करना चाहें, वो कैसा रहा? कैसे, क्योंकि रिकॉर्डिंग्स वगैरह आप कैसे कर रहे थे? Was it, you know, everything was smooth?
Oh, you know, it was a very challenging time for us, but I think we took on the challenge head on. And in fact, at the end of March, when COVID was announced officially and there was a lockdown, हमने सोचा कि हम लोग pause mode पे, you know, we'll have to, you know, just be on a pause and get back after 6 months. There was a lot of uncertainty because we had started only in February and COVID hit in March, you know.
Yeah.
But I think, thank God, all of us were brave enough, and we said, no, we're not going to go in a pause mode. We're going to accelerate the button, and we did that. Right from a weekly episode, we just had it in English at that point of time. We started a midweek episode, you know, because we knew our audience was there waiting, nothing else to do. Now office जा रहे हैं ना काम हो रहा है ज़्यादा. बच्चे, you know, hardly school was also.
बच्चे बोर हो रहे हैं, बच्चे भी बोर हो रहे हैं.
It really clicked, you know, people were watching, people were actually watching. And I must give a big shout out to all our parents, you know, who helped us. And they said, TK, if we can't send our children to your studio, we're going to become the cameraman. So the father was the light man, the mother was the cameraman, the brother, sister, the hairstylist, and they got the whole act together. And we did it. And each episode has 32 children, you know, between the Hindi and the English. So we had a big announcement. We had the Hindi episode being rolled out all during COVID time.
Wow.
And we had, you know, Ruchi. We said that, you know, we needed someone to cement the whole thing. Ruchi is someone from the media. She's comfortable. So, you know, she kind of put all the kids together. And we said the show has to carry on. We're not going to let COVID, you know, kind of break our dreams. And we're going to really accelerate it. And that's exactly what happened.
So, अभी क्या अब आपका मॉडल मतलब monetized है? Is there an earning from it? Yeah, it's just for knowledge or probably a social cause, you could call it.
Very strategically, when we set out, we had said that ours is there is a social angle to our model, definitely. You know, we want to reach out to as many students, NGOs, schools. That is our vision and mission for us. Yes, but I'm not saying that, and we will not be charging a subscription. That is not our model. But yes, we wanted to build a brand, and that's what we are planning to do, and that's what we've built, I think, in 1 year. And let's see how things unfold. And, you know, maybe a year down the line, you know, we get recognized for that, and we have sponsorship, and we are also thinking of other new product lines, and we are aligned to this as a concept.
Yeah, because as content creators, Facebook पर भी लोग, you know, अच्छी कमाई कर सकते हैं अगर अच्छा content है और उसको share किया जाता है, और अगर आपका जो page है वो verified है और monetized है मेरे ख्याल से, so काफी अच्छी earning लोगों की होती है सिर्फ social media platform पर ही, Facebook पर ही.
Yes, so I think we are there, we are on that route. So with everyone's blessings, I'm sure we'll do that too.
You know, I don't know आपके प्रोफेशनली पहले क्या थी, होम मेकर्स रही हैं या आप लोग किसी प्रोफेशन से जुड़ी हैं, बट क्या सपना था जो आपने इस फेसबुक अपने इस पेज के जरिए पूरा कर पाई हैं अपनी लाइफ का, एंड आप बाकी महिलाओं को क्या मैसेज देना चाहेंगी?
सो रिचा, यू नो, इतनी अपॉर्चुनिटी है, अगर देखा जाए, पर्सपेक्टिव है, इतनी अपॉर्चुनिटी की है कि आप अपने कमरे में बैठे बैठे जो करना चाहे कर सकते हो, गोइंग लाइव. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई जस्ट वांट टू टॉक अबाउट दैट वीडियो पौरी हो रही है. I mean, it was just a very simple video. ये मेरी friends है, ये है और party हो रही है, and it went absolutely viral. And एक पर्सपेक्टिव है कि इसमें क्या है, पर एक पर्सपेक्टिव है कि देख के अच्छा भी लग रहा है. So I feel हमें ना बहुत टाइम हम अपने आप को अंडरमाइन कर लेते हैं और बोलते हैं यार ये आइडिया इतना अच्छा लग नहीं रहा है, तू छोड़ो यार. No, I think you can go all out. Forget about the success or the failure. Just do it and see what will happen. क्या हो जाएगा, you know. So वो सोच लेके अगर हम करें ना, तो honestly कोई loss नहीं है उसमें. But एक चीज़ है कि तुमने वो चीज़ कर ली. It's out of your system. So as far as my personal journey is concerned, I have been in various fields. I have absolutely done everything I wanted to do. मैं बॉम्बे में थी, वहाँ मैंने फिल्म लाइन भी करी है, मैंने कॉस्ट्यूम डिजाइनिंग भी की है. Then I've been in a law firm also, and now I'm here also. And you know, I've always wanted to be acting somewhere or standing out, and thankfully iGrass gave me that opportunity कि कोविड के टाइम पे तुम एक काम करना, कैप्सूल होगा ना, उसके स्टार्ट और एंड में तुम आ जाना. And I feel absolutely blessed about it. I feel great about it. So this is amazing.
क्या बात है. बाकी सब लोग?
So I feel if you have a passion for something, दिल में प्यार है, passion है और hard work कर सकते हैं, the energies of the universe will be with you.
Wow.
Always you'll find the next step, the new door opening, naya rasta. You'll find wonderful people like this with you who can bond and become family and who are always there. And not only them, the whole world becomes a family. All the iGrass children are family.
Yeah,
absolutely.
So for me, it's love and hard work and passion. And I've loved every bit of it. So I've been mainly a homemaker and also started something called Mowgli's, a spiritual channel for little children. So we actually work with babies, with mythology and value education. So I'm doing everything I love doing, and I'm very happy.
So आपका मैसेज दूसरी होम मेकर्स के लिए क्या होगा?
यार अपने आप को खोलो, बंद नहीं रहना है. The universe is actually waiting for you to say yes. Don't say no.
Yeah.
Just say yes, and then everything will help you. Everybody will help you.
क्या बात. आपने तो एकदम हमारी टैगलाइन को इंग्लिश में ट्रांसलेट कर दिया. देखो दुनिया तुम्हारे साथ है.
So Richa, I was working as a lecturer in Delhi University when I started my career some 14 years ago. And after I got married, my husband was in a moving job. तो मुझे वो छोड़ के मैंने Google join कर लिया था. I also lived in Hyderabad for a year. But you know, after all of us had our kids, because all of us have had, you know, careers in the past. When the kids were born is when we kind of took a back seat. And अब बच्चे उस level पर आ गए हैं कि भाई अब इनके लिए भी कुछ करना है और अपने लिए भी कुछ करना है. और मैं क्योंकि education line से ही connected थी for the longest time is why I wanted to, you know, get involved in a project where I could also, you know, help out other kids to gain a lot of knowledge and information. So this is how I got associated, and we've all been friends for a very long time. So fortunately, not only our families, this is a family for all of us. You know, we talk to one another every day. How we started in itself is, you know, a story, because for months तो हम मिलते रहते थे, रोज बात करते थे, अच्छा क्या करना है, surveys करते थे. We would do a lot of, you know, background work also just by sitting together, spending their time together and figuring out how we could actually start this project off. You know, we've all worked, and Priya also has this nice, interesting story. She's had a rocking career too.
Yeah, I come from a different background. I was a management consultant at Ernst & Young for 11 years.
Wow.
And I left them as a vice president. It was a big, tough decision for me. But then I had 3 children back to back. So I was very clear where my priorities were. I took a break consciously, and I grasped, like I said, this idea was always, you know, haunting me that I need to do something for not just my kids, for everyone else. And we all just met at the right time, at the right place. And I think my message to all the women is that it's never too late to start a new venture. And thanks to platforms like Facebook, the world is just a click away. And you just got to keep dreaming, dream big. Don't get deterred by these ups and downs of life. And I'm sure we have a lot of support from people like you all who are there to listen to ideas, encourage them. Earlier, an idea was just on a PowerPoint and only discussed at the bank for getting the funding, And now today we have platforms, we have mothers who are listening in and who are getting inspired. And I watch a lot of Facebook, and I got a lot of, inspirational thoughts from a lot of these stories. You get motivated when you see others do it. So that's the whole objective.
वही हमारा मकसद है कि आप लोगों की कहानियों से और हजारों लोग जो ये हमारी बातचीत सुनेंगे वो इंस्पायर हो. बट आज मैं बार बार शायद ऐसा लग रहा है, लेकिन मैं 3 इडियट्स बार बार रेफर कर रही हूँ, क्योंकि मैनेजमेंट कंसल्टेंट, MBA ग्रेजुएट, इंजीनियर, मीडिया प्रोफेशनल, लॉ फर्म में आप काम कर चुकी है. सो माय गॉड, देयर सो मेनी इडियट्स जो फाइनली जिन्होंने ये तय किया है कि जो हम रेगुलर जॉब्स कर रहे थे वो नहीं करेंगे और अपने सपने को पूरा करेंगे. और सबसे बड़ी बात है कि एक फेसबुक के माध्यम से वो सपना पूरा करने के लिए एक आपको अपॉर्चुनिटी भी मिल रही है. सो वंस अगेन आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट जितने भी हमारे व्यूअर्स हैं, ऐसी महिलाओं के साथ, ऐसे लोगों के साथ इनकी कहानियां, इनकी इंस्पिरेशनल कहानियां शेयर करें. रेडियो पर तो आप इनकी कहानियां सुन ही रहे हैं, हमारे अलग अलग स्टेशंस पर भी आपकी कहानियों को ब्रॉडकास्ट किया जा रहा है, सो दैट वी कैन इंस्पायर मेनी मोर पीपल टू फुलफिल देयर ड्रीम्स, ताकि वो भी अपनी दिल खोल कर देखें कि दुनिया किस तरह से उनका साथ देने आगे आती है. थैंक यू सो मच ऑल ऑफ यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग अस. आप सबके अपने अपने काम के लिए, अपनी अपनी पर्सनल ग्रोथ के लिए बहुत सारी हमारी शुभकामनाएं. थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank you so much. Thank you.